Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of my long-awaited Roshny low-profile sounder. I've not only got one, I've got about 2 or 3, because they're all in a big bag downstairs with a load of smoke detectors and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be testing it in this video. My source of power is a 18-volt drill battery. These are all the tones. So to start off with, I think it's on BS Sweep, which is a whooping tone. So here we go. Alternating. French alternating. Low continuous. A higher high low. That's about it for the Roshny, really. I'll do one more. I think I'll do the slow whoop, and then I'll do sweep din, whatever that is. The slow whoop. Here we go. Oh crap, wire fell out, wait a minute. Here we go. And I'll do sweep din, whatever it is. Here we go, sweep din. And that's it for the Roshny. Thanks for watching.